James Roten with Intelos. So like many organizations, are you considering an Azure Virtual Desktop deployment? Perhaps we're meeting with you and talking about doing an AVD deployment for your environment and for your team. One of the common questions we get asked is, how does it work? What does it look like? How do I access it? So today, I want to cover that topic in detail. So first, I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you the Windows application. This is downloadable from the Microsoft Store, easy to put on your computer. If we are doing an AVD deployment for you, we will install this on all devices as part of your rollout. So once I have Windows app open, I already have our internal Azure Virtual Desktop workspace connected in here. So I'm going to click the connect button and it will log into the AVD environment and open my virtual desktop. So as a company, we use Duo as a standard, and you can see I'm getting a Duo notification push. I am going to approve that push on my mobile device now. So as I click approve, boom, we're in. So now you see my AVD environment. And in my AVD environment, I have an Excel document open. You can see there's a virtual desktop behind here. I just have some numbers typed in here. And so what I can do is something real simple like equals that times 2, and I'll copy this cell and paste it down here, and then I'll do a auto sum on this cell. This is all happening within my virtual desktop environment. If I unmaximize that environment, you can see I'm back down to my local desktop. If I go back to that environment, I'm back in the AVD environment. You can see my Excel application. I can open Word. I can open any app. If you have a line of business app, an ERP platform, a custom app that somebody might have built for you, these are all installed in these environments as well. Everything's backed up and secured, and we work in these environments. You can see here I'm typing into a Word document. What's cool about this is I am on my main work computer as I'm recording this video. I could turn right around and open my laptop and log into my AVD environment, and I'll be in the exact same environment. And then I could log into it from an iPad or an Android tablet device. You can even do it from a phone. The user experience on a phone screen is not all that great, but it can be done. And I can log in from anywhere in the world that I have an internet connection. And it's the same desktop, the same apps, it's the same data. My data is all stored either locally on an Azure file server or in Azure Files or in SharePoint, depending on what makes the most sense for it. So it's like super simple to work with. When I'm finished working in this environment, all I need to do is disconnect my session. So I'll go up here to the X and I will disconnect it. Okay. And so now I'm back out of that environment and I'm finished. I can turn around and log back in again. I can log in from my laptop. I can work from anywhere. So hope you enjoyed today's video. I enjoyed presenting it for you and hope to talk more about Azure Virtual Desktop soon. Thanks again.